Clive, how are you?
Going yourself?
Good, mate, good. So you had the day off soccer today?
Yeah, definitely. We did it.
Well, you got your priorities in the right order, haven't you?
Yes, I do. I do.
There's no point having soccer if you can't drive to get to the practice.
Yeah, like I needed this, getting my P's was very important. Getting late to practice always. Getting extra exercise just because I was late. So now I got my P's. Not going to have any problems. Going to be there early. Always.
Well done.
Always.
Would you like to share your experience on how you found the driving school as compared to others when you were doing your research, perhaps?
Yes, because I've seen more reviews on this one, and it was the most recommended by Service SA. When I was at Regency, they recommended this one specifically because it got a high pass rate.
All right.
So I chose you guys. I called in. You gave me the information, straightforward, easy. That's what I loved about it.
Good detail, good communication.
Communication was excellent, and the practice,
Mm-hmm.
getting used to driving, especially in a new country, especially for me from South Africa.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to adjust, but getting to know, basic road rules is the best.
Excellent.
Best you can ever do. Thank you very much. That was the best. I passed 92 out of 100.
93, yeah.
93 actually.
That's right.
93, not 92.
Good pass rate.
Thank you very much. And I wanted to go for 100, but slight mistakes. But if you keep practicing, you won't have those problems.
Just some minor errors, that's all.
Just minor errors.
Yeah, of course.
And stay confident and relaxed, and you'll be alright.
Well done. Well done.
That's my best advice, to be honest.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Clive.
My pleasure.
Any last words you'd like to share with the other students looking for a driving school?
When you register, ask for Carmelo. Best, definitely.
Or my wife, Teresa.
Or your wife.
Yeah.
But since I have personal experience, he's rough. He'll get you on point.
Mm-hmm.
He will tell you when you're making mistakes. He won't keep quiet about it.
Mm-hmm.
And you always know. You always know.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
And you noticed today with other learners who were practicing,
Yes.
you were noticing that they weren't doing things correct, weren't you?
Yes, there was a vehicle following us, which was another learner from another company. He wasn't indicating and showing any signs of, maneuvering around traffic and parked vehicles, which is very dangerous, He didn't even check a blind spot, which was, the hill coming down,
Yeah.
which is very dangerous,
Yeah.
But we did well, indicating, always communicate with the drivers ahead and everything, just have to be safe.
And that's the beauty of your training, that you're able to spot the things that are not being done correctly on the road too.
That is true.
So well done. All the best. Congratulations in your engineering
Thank you.
as your future now moves forward.
Yes.
And it's been a real pleasure.
Likewise, sir.
And I believe we've got your little brother next, eh?
Yes, he will be coming next. He'll be coming next.
Well done, Clive.
Thank
you
you
very much.
Likewise, sir.
And all the best. Bye-bye.
Bye.